In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your Proton VPN privacy in 2026 and the 5 settings you should change to keep your online activity as private as possible. The first setting you should enable is the kill switch. So, kill switch prevents your device from accessing the internet if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. This helps you stop your real IP address from being exposed. The second setting is the NetShield. So in order to enable this NetShield, you'll need to subscribe to their premium plan. So by enabling this feature, this helps you block malware, trackers, and unwanted advertisements while you are connected to Proton VPN. This also can reduce tracking attempts and make your browsing experience more secure. The third setting is the Secure Core. So if you need a stronger privacy protection, just enable this feature to route your connection through additional Proton-owned servers before reaching the internet. This adds another layer of protection, especially when using networks you do not fully trust. The fourth setting is the Auto Connect. Turn this on if you want Proton VPN to automatically protect your device whenever you connect to unknown or public networks. This helps prevent accidentally browsing without VPN protection. The fifth setting is your connection protocol. Open your settings and choose the recommended automatic option or test different protocols if you experience connection issues. So using the right protocol can improve both security and performance. And after changing these settings, connect to a VPN server and verify your protection. After changing these settings, go back to the VPN and connect it to server and verify your protection. So check that your IP address has changed and make sure Proton VPN shows an active connection. Remember, a VPN is only effective when it's configured properly. So taking a few minutes to adjust these privacy settings can help you get the most out of Proton VPN. And that's how you improve Proton VPN privacy in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.